Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU Audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Computer and Information Sciences, SOCIS, Bachelor of Computer Applications, BCA_New. Semester I, BEGLA 136 English at the Workplace. Block 1 Exploring the Job Market. Unit 2 Searching for a Job.
OBJECTLVES. By the end of the unit you will have some idea about the world of jobs. Know how to search for a suitable job. Know how to write letters to find out about the job market. Explore the internet for jobs. Understand vocabulary associated with jobs. 2.1 Warm UP. Are you familiar with the internet? If so, look up the net and find at least 3 to 4 sites that will tell you about the availability of jobs. Interview any young friend who has just secured a job. Find out about his/her job. 2.2 Reading comprehension, creative job hunting. Dash dash dot dash dash dot dash 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 dot dot. A career is a course of successive situations that make up some activity. One can have a sporting career or a musical career, but most frequently, career in THC 21st century refers to the workplace, the series of jobs or positions by which one earns one's bread. In the relatively static societies before modernism, many workers would often inherit or take up a single lifelong position, a place or role, in the workforce, and the concept of an unfolding career had little or no meaning. With new ideas of progress and of the habits of individualist self-betterment, careers became possible, if not expected. Career counseling is one-on-one or group professional assistance in exploration and decision-making tasks related to choosing a major occupation. The field is vast and includes career placement, career planning, learning strategies, student development. By the late 20th century, a plethora of choices, especially in the range of potential professions, and more widespread education had allowed it to become fashionable to plan or design a career. Once you have decided on your career and completed the course of study, you will need to look for a job. In order to decide the sort of job you would like to undertake, it is sometimes advisable to contact consultants who could help you to understand the challenges involved in starting a new job. Consultants that take up too many diverse areas may lose focus and may not be able to deliver the goods. However, many consultancies have had real success stories, and going to one can help you plan your ventures. It has been estimated that most jobs are not advertised in a competitive job market. Most employers actually expect applicants to take the initiative. It has been estimated that 1/3 of vacancies for graduates are not advertised publicly, particularly in a competitive job market. It can be cost-effective for the employer to draw on a limited but well-qualified and motivated, self-referred pool of candidates. If you decide to take this creative approach to job search, remember that thorough research is vital to success. A small number of well-targeted applications is more likely to produce results than wasting paper and postage on mass mailing. You will need to look beyond the recruitment sections of the local and national press to the general news husiness sections. Where have new contracts been awarded? Which organizations are expanding? Who is reporting record profits, and which companies are moving into your area or developing a particular product? Research thoroughly. What is the focus of individual companies? What do they look for in graduates? Build up a network of contacts. Usually people are happy to talk about their areas of work and can provide you with further, perhaps even more relevant contacts. Academic staff may have excellent links with the local industry and commerce, which could help you develop your network. Remember to keep a record of your network of contacts and follow them up from time to time to let them know you are actively seeking work, to update them on your progress, or to say thank you. Never underestimate the effectiveness of personal contacts. Hopefully your motivation and perseverance will be recognized when a vacancy does turn up. Telephone before you send a letter, so that your application does not away cold or on the wrong person's desk. Aim to track down the most relevant person and their job title, and make sure you spell their name correctly. Clearly state what job area you are interested in. Say why you have chosen to apply to that particular organization. Demonstrate that you know something about them, their products and/or services. You will need to convince the employer that you can do the job for which you are applying. The style and tone of your letter should be persuasive. State when you are available for an interview or discussion. You may want to follow your letter with a telephone call a few days later to demonstrate your commitment and enthusiasm. If you want to discuss creative job hunting or receive feedback about your CV and covering letter, feel free to speak to a career advisor or use an e-guidance service. 2.3 Vocabulary Definitions. 2. Look at the adjectives below. Match each of the definitions, A1, with one of the adjectives. The first one is done for you. Practical, cool-headed, empathetic, persuasive, dynamic, reliable, energetic, creative. Definitions. A person who wants to get to the top. Ambitious. A person who can relate to other people's feelings. A person who enjoys meeting people in new situations. A person who is always on time. A person who can be counted upon. A person who can change people's opinions. A person who is good at finding solutions to problems. A person who is original in his thinking. A person with the capacity for vigorous activity. A person who is easily affected by emotions. A person who is forceful and vigorous. A person who does not easily get ruffled. 2.5 Speaking. Activity 4. Here is a situation. You have gone to submit your application for a job. When you reach there, you find that it is a walk-in interview. You are asked to wait as you will be called in shortly. In the reception you meet another young man or woman. You get into a conversation about your qualifications and your previous job. In pairs act out this scene. Ensure that both of you speak on issues that are relevant. Before you speak, you and your partner can write out your script. 2.6 Grammar. Passive form. Read the following sentences from the reading passage. It has been estimated that most jobs are not advertised in a competitive job market. 2. Never underestimate the effectiveness of personal contacts. Hopefully, your motivation and preferences will be recognized when a vacancy does turn up. The underlined sentences are in the passive voice and the doers of the action are not mentioned. The doers in reports, newspaper headlines and science experiments are omitted because the doers are many or are not very important to know, or are very obvious. The passive forms of the verb in different tenses would look as follows. Tense simple continuous perfect. Present Islam lare, past Islam lare, being has, have been. Participle past participle part participle. Past was, were past were being had been. Participle past participle. Future will one shall be. Past participle. Activity 5. Change the following sentences into the passive voice. Amid the doer where it is necessary. 1. They pulled down many trees. 2. We make water from a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. 3. Someone hit my car from the back. 4. The principal unfolded the flag on Independence Day. 5. Madame Curie discovered radium. 6. They announced the winners of the Nobel Prizes in physics and chemistry yesterday. 7. Someone broke the window yesterday in the evening. 8. The fire brigade will put out the fire. 9. They have cleared all the roads in this area due to VIP movement. 1 more. They elected a new mayor yesterday. 2.7 Writing. Activity 6. Filling up a questionnaire. Very often when you apply for a job you submit a resume. On the basis of the resume, you are shortlisted and called for an interview. Some companies expect you to fill up a questionnaire just before the interview. CW. Here is such a questionnaire. Please read it carefully and fill it up. You have applied to a company manufacturing chocolates. Questionnaire. All candidates appearing for the interview are expected to fill up this form just before the interview. This will give us a better picture of you. 2.8 Summary. After going through this unit you will have some idea of the type of jobs available in the market. More than that, you would have learned how to explore the job market and get help to find the most suitable job. Remember that if you get a job you like and enjoy it, then your job will cease to be work and will become a world of joy. That would be the best thing that would happen to you, wouldn't it? Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video with the next chapter.